China has been through 40 years reform and opening up. Now, we enter the age of Internet and witness the rapid development of Made in China. Orico, as a company in this new age, while focus on building brand through completing supply chain system, intelligent lean factory, localized warehousing and distribution, and global marketing network, building a system of product research and development, production assembly, offline marketing. For global retail companies and factories, we providing data technology foundation and entire industry chain supply. With standard PCBA solution, product group management, structural engineer, and 140 plus professional R&D team including electronic engineers, research and develop thousands of products in various categories, keep and release one product every 2 weeks. Meanwhile, based on the standardization, modularization, and serialization of product that make Orico as the medium MOQ different from the traditional platform, which is all product on the platform can be ordered at medium and one at wholesale price. Through years of accumulation and precipitation, created a marketing system integrating brand planning, visual design, and marketing promotion, provide a full range of customized marketing services for agents and partners, data-driven, intelligent decision-making. Through years of research and development, self-developed IT system opened up all links from the supply side, R&D, manufacturing, logistics to the demand side, created a database with design, build, and sale, combining machine autonomous learning and model generation through real-time data, helping Chinese factories connect with global retailers, realize F2B digital sales and digital manufacturing, achieve real-time data-driven decision-making. From customer service to innovative R&D to manufacturing delivery, Orico, based on C2C, adhere to the 4 operating principles of effectiveness, coordination, mobility, and innovation. Implementation of standardization and process helped to realize the 2-week research and development of the F2B211 platform, 1 week of production, 1 medium order, 211 smart supply model. Orico Global Digital Factory, Manufacturing and Distribution Industry Internet Ecological Platform.